How to remove camera from the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus or the S24 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on wallpaper and style. Next, tap on the wallpaper on the left hand side. So this is the lock screen wallpaper. Then at the bottom, tap on the camera icon. Next, tap on no app. This will remove the camera icon. Then tap on done. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you go to the lock screen now, you can see the camera icon has been removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.